Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block emails in Gmail. Friends, if someone is disturbing you by sending unwanted emails regularly, then you can very easily block that sender in Gmail. So to block someone to send you unwanted emails, then you simply need to open the email. Now after opening the email, you need to click on these three dots. Now here click on block. Now after checking the email address, click on block again. Now here you can see we have blocked this sender in our Gmail account. So friends, like this you can very easily block someone who is sending you unwanted emails in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.